Population Matters is a UK-based charity that campaigns for a future in which our population coexists in harmony with nature and prospers on a healthy planet to the benefit of all. My name is Catriona Spaven Donn, and I coordinate Population Matters Empower to Plan crowdfunding programme, which partners with grassroots sexual and reproductive health and education projects around the world. We support practical and positive solutions, empowering women and girls to make their own reproductive choices. The gender focus is particularly important when considering that women and girls are disproportionately impacted by climate change and are often excluded from decision-making spaces. As Malala says, when girls are educated and when they stay in school, they get married later in their lives, then they have less children, and that helps us to reduce the impacts of climate change that the population increase brings. It is clear that human population growth, as well as high rates of consumption in high-income countries, correlate directly with the use and abuse of our lands, forests, and seas. Unless our unsustainable habits change, we will be using up the resources of 3 Earths by 2050. How then can we achieve planetary health and ensure the flourishing of people, places, and planet for the next generations? At Population Matters, we support community and local initiatives spearheading grassroots efforts for change. We know that one of the most powerful solutions to slow population growth and thus protect our planet is to empower girls and women and highlight progress on gender equality as key to positive social and environmental action. Our partners range from family planning healthcare providers in Uganda, youth environmentalists in Kenya, and women conservationists in Colombia, to consent and sex educators in Northern England and Poland. In Guatemala, we are supporting rural Indigenous women in running peer education programs on sexual and reproductive rights and leadership training, while also developing their community's food security through agroecology projects. Our partner, Women for Conservation, run family planning and conservation programs in the cloud forests and unique habitats of Colombia, one of the most biodiverse countries on Earth. We share their vision of a world in which women are integral to the prevention of species extinction, and are supporting their grassroots programming in nature reserves around the country, facilitating local women's participation in environmental education training, as well as workshops to learn about, claim, and exercise their sexual and reproductive rights. We invited Women for Conservation's founder, Sara Inés Lara, to tell us more about how achieving a sustainable population protects the natural world and improves people's lives.
First of all, I would like to say thank you to Population Matters for this time and opportunity to share our message. On a daily basis, we are encountering his stories and women who are at the front line of the situations and challenges that are created by the overexploitation of the environment and situations like climate change, etc. For me personally, I strongly believe in the importance of educating women and young girls and giving them access to family planning. What we are seeing now more than ever before is that women want to have a say and want to have control over their own bodies and their own decisions. And it starts from there, when women have that option and that opportunity.
To support our vision of a healthy future for people and planet, visit our website and read more about our Empower to Plan partners and their important work.